loves roses.
Sure would be a dream come true if we could keep him.
Well, you know what they say. The best things in life are supposed to be free.
Hold it right there, mister! What did you do to my roses? No, don't even think about it. One false move out of you, and I'm gonna prune your plant, and I'm talking nip it in the bud.
George, you drive.
No, it's not fair. He should be mine. Damn you!
LaFleur! What? I think we've been fooled by our own car! Wow!
He stole my car! Oh my God, will you look at this traffic? Cops. Everybody just act normal.
Here he comes!
Look what he's doing to my paint job!
He's almost on us, Dad!
George, could you go a little faster? All right, Mom!
That sucker's history!
Don't kid yourself. This is the part he's good at. I always miss it.